What's the difference between boosting posts versus running ads? Does my follower count affect my ad results? And how expensive are Facebook ads these days? In this video, I will walk you through why running ads is the way to go when looking for results over boosted posts, the average cost of ads, and debunk the myth around follower count and ads. Hey, my name is Dana Snyder, and I am the CEO and founder of Positive Equation, a digital consultancy working to help nonprofit marketers amplify their brand awareness and raise more funds online through digital marketing. Let's dive into it. Myth number one. So, you may be thinking boosting posts is the same or better than running ads. And this is not true. And here's why. Number one, in the ad creation phase, a boosted post is applying a budget or more spend to an existing post from either your Facebook page or your Instagram account. A Facebook ad is when you are creating an ad specifically in your ads manager account. So the ad creation is different. Number two, your ad objectives, this is a big one, are very different. So with boosted posts, you are very limited to the objectives that your ad can help you reach, even more limited on Instagram. There's like three main objectives. So you'll see here, big difference when you launch a Facebook ad and the conversions and the results that you can receive versus if you're just boosting a post. And then lastly, also super important is your ad placement. So on boosted posts, your ads are only going to appear, that boosted post is only going to appear in certain places versus when you're running a Facebook ad, there's a lot greater opportunity for your post to be seen. So that's number one. Myth number two, Facebook ads are so expensive. Well, I also want to ask you about your time that you normally spend on sending out mailers for Ask, the time you spend creating emails, how much it costs you to put together a big gala event. That's very expensive, right? These are some of the results that I have seen from running Facebook ads. I have spent $50 and had 65 website click-throughs. I spent $100 and had over 18,000 video views on a piece of content. That's brand awareness right there. And I've had $171 spend and received back over $1,700 in donations. That's a great return on investment. So ad spend, let's talk some money. The average 15-second through play video cost can be less than a penny to 3 cents is your average. So you are reaching a ton of people for a very low cost spend. Average engagement cost, about 7 cents to 12 cents across Facebook and Instagram, people engaging with your content. The average CPM, cost per 1,000 people viewing your content, is $9 to $13. So you can reach 1,000 people for around $9 to $13. Way less costly than anything you're going to find with a mailer, right? Or any other type of print advertising. So let's also continue in here for a second. The average nonprofit donor made about 2 gifts and contributed $167 in 2020. Looking at the chart on the right, the average cost per donation to reach them on social media was $40. So if you're making a gift, if you're receiving a gift of $167 and you spent $40 to get that gift, that's a 317% return on investment. So we know now that ads do not have to be expensive. Myth number 3, my follower size is too small, so I can't run ads. That is absolutely not true. Hard fact here. Your follower size has no factor on the success of your ads because you're reaching new people. So I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Dana Snyder with Positive Equation, and I can't wait to hear what you're working on in digital marketing. See you soon.